Hi, this is Ryan from JuiceMind, and in this video I wanted to walk through one of our new product releases, which is our debugging tool. So we developed this tool with the goal and intention to allow both students and teachers to be able to better understand and visualize how computers actually go through and run programs. So in order to see the debugging tool in action, on the JuiceMind's web-based IDE, I have a simple Python script open that pretty much goes through and prints the output of three different functions: print hello, print food, and print goodbye. In order to start using the debugging tool, you could pretty much press the bug-looking button that's to the right of the play button, and you should see a new window or window panel called Debugger that's prompted on top of the console that you're probably used to. So the three most important buttons that you would use in your debugging journey are going to be the continue, step over, and step in button. So the continue button pretty much at a high level would allow you to run the complete program as you would normally. The step in button would allow you to pretty much go through and see what would allow you to go through and see what the next line of a program the computer would actually go through and run. The step over button would allow you to pretty much, like if you're dealing with a function and you want to skip specific lines of code that are within the functions, and you don't want to go into the function itself, you could press the step over button and it'll actually go through and skip it. So given this information, let's see all three of them. Let's see how we could go through and debug and visualize how our computer goes through and executes this code. So we could start off by pressing the step in button to see that the computer first starts on line 1, then goes to the next method header, which is print food, and then actually goes to print goodbye. And then it doesn't read any of the content within the functions, but then starts off with print hello. So once the print hello function call is made, it goes into the content that's within the print hello function. And if we step in, we get to see that hello is actually print to the output shell. And yeah, it goes back and goes back to the print hello function call. If we press step in again, it'll go to the print food function now. And this would actually be a good example of how the step over function is printed. So if we now press step over, it should skip it wouldn't actually go in, similar to what it did with when we stepped into the print hello and went through and executed line 5 and line 6. It actually skipped it and just printed good morning and food, and then advanced to the print goodbye function. So for this last one, let's just go through and step in. And yeah, in order to see what the print goodbye function is, it steps into the print goodbye function. And if we step in one more time, it will actually execute line 9 and print goodbye. And then the program would actually finish executing. If you have absolutely any questions, feel free to chat with our team or email me at ryan@mail.juicemind.com. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys think.